In order to play the piano, you will need to familiarize yourself with the layout of the keyboard. The keyboard is made up of both white keys and black keys. Notice how the black keys are divided up into groups of 2 and 3. This arrangement makes it much easier to find the note you want to play. Now imagine if the piano had no black keys. It would make it nearly impossible to find the note you wanted to play. It would also make the keyboard too long. Although there are many keys on a piano, there are only 12 actual notes, and each of them repeat as you move up the keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then it repeats again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Let your hands wander around the keyboard for a moment. Now choose any key and play it. See if you can find the same key elsewhere on the keyboard. Even though the note you just played sounds the same wherever you play it on the keyboard, it will sound either higher or lower. This is called pitch.